My name is Jennifer Smith, and I'm from Oakdale, California. I found Dr. Barber after visiting 3 other oral surgery practices. After my first experience with Dr. Barber and Greater Modesto Oral Surgery, I knew that this was the right office for me. The entire staff was friendly, made me feel welcome, and they were very knowledgeable about my case. Dr. Barber knew immediately that the All-on-4 would be the perfect solution for my needs. I knew after visiting the other offices, Dr. Barber's approach was so much more positive and made me feel taken care of and was a long-term answer as opposed to the others that I was presented with. After going home and discussing the procedure with my husband, we decided that this was a great investment for my quality of life. I knew it would be a big procedure, but the surgery went flawlessly, and I was even able to make dinner that night for my family. Before the All-on-4 procedure, I had a hard time eating, I wouldn't smile in pictures, and my self-esteem was very low. After the procedure, I can eat whatever I want, and I'm always smiling. I would highly recommend Dr. Barber and his staff for any oral surgery needs.